Hey there, how's it going? Just wanted to put a quick vlog on this in case you had further questions. Shared out the spreadsheet with PowerSchool student logins. This is obviously a fake class that I'm showing on the screen. So the all students alpha is over here, and then you just find your name. Um, so my class would be here. I'm not going to use that one though. I'm going to use my fake class, Miss Venti. So Ms. Venti, of course, teaches the students you see here. Those are fake student ID numbers, but basically the username, commonly based off of last name, although it might have a little bit of change to it, might have a number, weird lettering, that kind of thing. We can see for Mr. Kirk, it's Kirk8ML, which doesn't really make much sense right here. So he's Kirk8ML, and then his student ID number should be his password. That's how you do that. This is going to be our tech lesson for this Friday for your core classes. And so you can go ahead and share out the information to them. What I recommend, a recommendation from Miss Blake, great idea that she had, send your students an email that has their username and student ID number. I mean, they should know their ID number, but that has their username. And so then they always have it in their email if they need to log into PowerSchool. That's how that works. Take care of yourself and one another. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Wear a mask. From my household to yours, we love you and enjoy this Friday's lesson.